Hey guys, welcome to this channel on Affiliate Guru. Today I'm going to show you how I had made money on Fiverr, and I'm going to tell you the exact strategies that I have applied on it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit the bell icon and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's jump on it. So guys, I'm on my dashboard area on Fiverr. Now I want to show you my income proof here before we proceed to the strategy that I have applied here. You can see here $30 and see the dates. Last order was on 10th of August and my first order was on 20th of May. You can calculate it comes around 80 days. Now let's see my gigs. Gigs are basically services that you create here on Fiverr. I have put only 4 gigs as I was not doing it for full time. I recommend you to put at least around 15 to 20 gigs of any specific software, of any specific services that you want to give here. I have targeted GrooveFunnels audience here. Now you can see all of these services are related to GrooveFunnels. Now if you don't know about GrooveFunnels, I'll give you a brief overview of it. So GrooveFunnels is an all-in-one platform for managing online businesses. It consists of over 17 apps that are needed to successfully manage any business online. And I definitely recommend you to create your account here as it's free. So GrooveFunnels, it is a sales funnel builder software, just like ClickFunnels. GroovePages, it is a website builder, and you can create any professional looking website here easily with the pre-designed templates and the drag and drop builder tool here. GrooveSell is a sales platform which you can use to sell any digital products on any place on the internet. And Groove Affiliate, it is an affiliate marketplace. You can use it to create your own affiliate program and bring affiliates to promote it for you. It's just like ClickBank or Zevizu. Now GrooveCart, it is an e-com store builder specifically designed for dropshipping business and print on demand business. But you can sell anything here with the advanced shopping cart builder. It's an alternative of Shopify. Shopify users should definitely look about this before paying their next month. Now Groove Mail, it is an email autoresponder and where you get the most advanced features to track your subscribers and spy on them. You will get any of these advanced features in any of its competitors. Now Groove Webinar, it is a webinar hosting tool. Groove Member, it is a membership site platform. You can build your own courses here and put all of them inside your membership area. Now Groove Video, it's a video hosting software just like Vimeo or YouTube. And Groove Vlog is a blogging platform. You can create unlimited blogging websites here and many other softwares here. Now why I'm telling you all this? I'm telling you because I know that this is a game changing software and it has so much of scope for earning from it that you can't even imagine this time. So I really recommend you that you should create your account here. So the point here is you have to target one audience of any specific software or anything and become expert in it. Trust me guys, this really works. Nobody can stop you from getting successful. I mean it. Experts are getting paid more than others. So start today. Find a product which interests you Start learning everything about it and put your gig about all its services that you can do. You will see the results in under a month. Now coming back to my Fiverr dashboard, guys, I want to show you how you can research about your competitive freelancers and how you can create a really effective services here. So just type whatever service you are interested in, like let's just search over here graphics and design, logo design part. Logo design is a very common category and very simple service that anyone can offer. So you can see that over 13,000 services are already available here. So there is very less chance of getting success in this. Now if you search here anything other like pattern design, yes, see this guys, it's only 265 services available. So you can easily get success in this, and you can see their prices are also higher than any others. So this is what I'm talking about, that you need to focus on one software or anything that might interest you, and then work hard and learn anything about it. Like these guys are doing so much success only because they are giving their whole focus on this pattern designing field only. So that's why if you check over this, if you want to go with this field only, then just check over this over any of your competitors and see what they have written. Don't just copy and paste, try to be a little bit creative by yourself and use some of the services and include a unique point that why a customer should buy from you, why a customer should give you the order rather than this other freelancer. So you should have your unique selling point. So you can see all these details which you have to enter when you are creating a gig. So I just show you how to create a gig, and you can create here, go to gigs, create a new gig and just write anything simple. I will do something that I am really good at. See the Fiverr is also telling you that you have to enter whatever you are good at. So I will create a pattern design for you. See, they have selected the categories, and you can just find the category here also, or you can select it from this selected category section also. Then you have to select a subcategory, like this is a part of graphics and design, and select a subcategory. If you don't find it here, you can select it from here. Then add relatable search tags that might be related to your gig. Then save and continue. Then they will come something like this. Just take an example. See, gig metadata, you have to select what kind of logo you design, then enter the search tags. i'll take I'll put something for an example here. 3D logo, I might take 3D logo, then logo, custom logo maybe. Then pricing, you have to select the pricing based on make sure you don't price too much high than others. You have to keep it reasonable and make it a little bit less if possible than your completers so that you can start getting orders in the initial state, and when you are getting frequent orders, then you can increase your price. Also, I would recommend you guys to learn about this learn online course. This is a great course that any freelancer who has just joined should go for it, because these courses are not only give you advantage over other freelancers, but also help you in creating a professional gig. Like what I have done here, I have completed this course, Online Freelancing Essentials, and this course you should also watch and complete it. This is a free course, and you would love this, guys. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have put some of the links of whatever I have described here regarding GrooveFunnels and Fiverr. I will put that in my description. Don't forget to join GrooveFunnels. It's completely free and you will definitely like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you later.